G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanus 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we went out post-cyclone, dodging debris and testing out our mainsail repair. It was a great day getaway on the water. Join us now as we have our littlest crew member back on board, our Grandy Rosie, out for a day on the water and a swim at the beach and to learn all things sailing. It's a great episode, guys. We really hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please hit subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and you can help us get there. It doesn't cost anything, but it will give you an alert each time we post and helps us out significantly to get to our goal of sailing around the world. So here's our latest, guys. Enjoy. G'day, everybody. We are heading out for a bit of a short stint today because we have our very special crew on board. Who is our crew?
Hello, everybody!
Where are we going today?
To the beach.
To the beach. You're going to have a swim?
Yeah.
That'll be. And what? How do we get to the beach?
So we just turn over there
Yeah.
and follow the lead. So
Where are the leads?
right there.
Oh, okay. Yep.
There's a Christmas and
Yeah.
a cycle shape.
Yep.
And that's all I can talk about.
Okay.
I'm just going to get Astrid where it goes.
Okay. And we have to get in ITA, don't we, to get to the beach?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we go on anchor now?
No, not now. We have to wait till we get the anchor down. Look at all these boats, Rosie. They're pretty cool, aren't
I
they?
wonder if it's ready. Spin the blue one out, eh?
Pull it so hard! It's perfect! It's cool. We're being cool.
There's some muscles there, mate.
It's coming. He's high, Grandma.
Rightio. Yeah, put the oars off, mate.
Ready to go, Rosie? Keep going, Rosie. That's one of that's in the spot.
So yours out a bit more? Yeah, just pressure off it.
And with a lot of heave-ho and sweat, the head sail was finally out. Not a lot of wind, but it was a great start for the day. So you can see we've managed to get the head sail out. There is bugger all wind today, so it's not a day to get the main out, but we've got the heady out and we'll see how we go. Babe, what's the wind?
Yeah, 4 knots.
About 4 knots. Definitely not racing weather.
Yeah, it's truly apparent.
Gav said it's 4 knots and it's truly apparent. So it's not just apparent, but it's truly, really, really, really apparent. So yeah, head sail out. We're going for a swim and that'll be pretty good. And just when we thought there wasn't enough wind, the wind picked up enough that we could get the mainsail out as well. After so long without the main working, it always feels so good to see the two sails up together. So with the sail set, it was time for us to relax, get some lunch on our way over before we got to the beach and feed the littlest pirate.
And I'll say winding in, and then you'll go rightio, and we'll both watch it happen.
So that's going to come off the winch and show that going in.
It's got weight against it, right? So
it'll go bang.
No, you just have to remember it's wrapped around the winch 3 times, so
yeah.
you just just remember that it's going to clunk. Keep your fingers away from it.
Yeah.
What's the password?
Ready?
Right, so, ready to release?
Ready to release?
Rosie, fingers away.
Yeah. Two.
There we go. Take one more loop off. Yep. Gonna start winding.
Yeah, all good. Yeah, Rosie just needs to watch it.
Release your rope. Thank you. Whoa. That just fell out. That's not good. Well done, everybody.
And as we approached the island, it was time for Rosie and I to go forward and prepare to drop the anchor. Rosie's got a special spot there. I call them the dolphin lookout spots, where she stands, and then I can go forward and focus on getting the anchor set for us. It was a beautiful day. We couldn't wait to get into the water. Gav's just ferried Tori and Rosie into the beach so they can start swimming, and Aiden and I are back here getting all the important stuff ready. And he's on his way back now. Can I get a chee-how?
Yeah. Very cool, though. Looks cool today, mate.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's cool last time too. Ships ahoy!
Okay, Rosie, out the way, honey.
Up out the way! Gav just said he can't wait to come to every island in Australia and do this. And it's going to be so bloody good, but it won't just be Australia though, of course. We are going overseas, literally overseas. But yeah, can't wait. It's very cool. We've only got 3 months to go and we'll be living on board full time. And we're making the most of this last of the summer weather, although it doesn't actually get cold here, but yeah, nice enough for a swim still today. And yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. Getting both sails out on the way here, and our confidence is growing and growing, and yeah, getting to share that with the family. They're just, for Gav and I, there's nothing better. Like we just love it, but you know, being able to share stuff with all the family. So yeah, it's great. Rosie's asked Gav to teach her how to row. Bit of backstory, Gav was like rowed for the state, won the state titles and stuff back in the day. See you later! Looks like they've ditched the oars and they've put the motor in, so it's good memory making stuff. Training Aiden on the anchor. So he's bringing it up now.
Fix it up, mate.
Yeah. That's it. Just keep going. It'll just flick up. That's good. Keep going. Keep going. It'll just stop. That's it. Now you got it. All right. Now undo the locker. Oh, you didn't do it up. Okay.
Hey?
Let the locker, oh, it is done up? Yep.
Yeah, it's
Let
done
that drop, and then we might have to just click the anchor to get it to close properly. So just shut that down. Watch toes, yep.
Yeah,
And now just drop it slightly and it'll click that. Yeah,
That's
perfect. Perfecto. Are you having fun down there? Yeah. Wobbly. Hold on to your hats. So on our way back, we've got the head sail up and motor sailing so we can get back not too late. But we've had such a good day.
It's always good to have
Look at that. Oh my gosh, I just love it. It's hard to explain how good it feels that when you've dreamt of something for as long as we have, and then, you know, we're living it and we're getting ready to actually take off. I can't even explain how good it is. Like, you know, we got back on the boat and we were having our showers on the back of the boat. There's a hot cold shower on the transom, and Gav and Aiden were coming in and they're like, well, firstly Rosie goes, shark, there's a shark, and I'm like, oh, I don't think there's a shark. And then she's screaming shark, and then I hear Aiden and Gav from the tender yelling out, dolphins, and we had dolphins all around the boat. So Rosie had seen them first and she was so excited, and just to see that sort of stuff, you know, we're not sitting in front of a TV for the weekend. We are out on the water and seeing amazing things and making all our dreams come true. So if you've got a dream, chase it and do it, because you know what, life really is too short, and if there's something you want to do, you've just got to make sure you can do it, and money will you know, you can just work that out. Live your dreams is my point. You don't need a whole lot of stuff. What you need is experiences and to feel like you've lived your life. And as we could see the marina in the distance, the day drew slowly to a close. What a fabulous day on the water, lessons for the family and lots of great quality time together. We really hope that you've enjoyed this episode. Next week kicks off a series in one of our favourite places, exploring shipwrecks and Believe it or not, we finally catch something on the end of the rod. You don't want to miss these next few episodes. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this, please hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See ya.